In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to capture and upload your own attack sessions to SnapAttack. CapAttack is specifically developed by SnapAttack to turn your test VMs into a red and blue teaming sandbox. It'll capture all of the attacker as well as the victim's videos, and most importantly, all of the time-synchronized forensic logs bundled up into a zip that you can easily upload to SnapAttack to create your own attack session for analysis or for sharing with your team or the community. The easiest way to install CapAttack is via the PowerShell one-line install script, which you can find here. If you haven't already, you'll need to set the execution bypass policy so that you can run PowerShell scripts. Note that CapAttack will be installed in your current working directory, so I like to install CapAttack on the desktop so it's easy to access. One word of caution, CapAttack is not intended to be used in a production environment. It's meant to be installed in a lab or a test system where we can intentionally max out the log levels, install packet capture tools, and customize the host to be a proper sandbox. The first time you install, you need to tell CapAttack that it's an attacker or a victim host. If there's only one host, it's easy. Just label it as victim. Once the installation is done, now you're ready to start your capture. In that PowerShell window, let's start it with CapAttack-start. I always tab complete it to make sure the proper functions are imported already. When you see the prompt fire away, you know you're ready to begin your attack. For this basic benign follow-along example, we're just going to execute calc from PowerShell, but this is where you can mimic your threat actors' tactics, techniques, procedures, or detonate malware that you'd like to analyze. Once the attack is finished, you can stop capture by executing CapAttack-stop. This will take a few seconds to zip up all the host logs, application logs, the network logs, as well as the video and other metadata that we've captured to create the session. CapAttack will optionally prompt you to choose a memorable file name for this attack, or you can just hit enter to use the default. Once finished, upload the zip to SnapAttack and provide a title and a description. You can also optionally add threat intelligence, reference URLs, and freeform tags so that you can find your session later. But all of this data can be modified later, so I'm just going to keep it simple for now. Let's click the Publish button. Once it's uploaded, you'll be notified to view the session. Clicking into the session, we can see that thousands of analytics have already started running, and we can see the percentage complete in the analytic backfill process in the upper left. A quick refresh of the page shows that our benign calc.exe has already been detected using our dummy analytic. The next important step is to uploading any attack is to find and label specific attacks in the video with a red star. You can add a red star a few different ways, either by time, by using the video actions in the icons to the right of the video, but the most accurate way is always confirming an existing analytic hit that is detecting your attack if one exists. This way we're labeling the exact log and the process tree, which can help with blue team analysis and analytic validations down the line. In this case, we see that there's an existing analytic, so let's confirm that hit by adding a corresponding red star using the action icons next to the analytic row in the timeline. As you can see, it automatically pulls up the MITRE ATT&CK sub-techniques from the analytic, so all we have to do is add a brief description of the attack that users can see when they hover over the red star in the timeline. With the red star in place, we can see that the analytics nearby that also share the same MITRE ATT&CK tags are automatically being validated as true positives by our algorithm and shown by shading in the blue circle hits. We can now use some more advanced filtering in the session to hone in on the true positives and make analytics and detecting analytics easier. Before we wrap up, just a few more advanced things to mention. You can run CapAttack on Ubuntu or Kali Linux machines. Just be sure to install PowerShell first, then you can run the pwsh command to drop into the PowerShell terminal, and then run the same install commands shown in this video. Also, relatedly, CapAttack can also capture complex multi-host attacks. So say you have a domain controller and 2 Windows victim hosts and a Kali attack host. You can repeat the install for CapAttack on each of those machines, run CapAttack-start on all of them, and then upload the zips to that same upload page. SnapAttack will take care of stitching the videos and logs together for you so that you can analyze the full kill chain attack in one session. As always, if you run into any issues or have any ideas of how we can improve, please reach out to us. The easiest ways are either to join our Slack community, snapattack.com/community, and then click on Join Our Slack, or you can use the in-app feedback icon located in the lower right-hand corner of SnapAttack by clicking on the purple circle megaphone. Here you can select general feedback or feature requests or report a bug to us. Thanks, see you in the next tutorial.